How to draw Catboy from PJ Masks, step by step. For the first step of drawing Catboy, we're going to begin by making one big circle in the middle of the page. This will be his head. Nice! Next up, we're going to begin to make the nose, along with a line, which will help separate the face from the mask. Now if you need a second to catch up, you can pause the video right here. Next, we're going to go directly above the line that we just made, and we're going to begin to make the eyes. We will make one circle on the left and one circle on the right. Then once we're done making those circles, we're going to make one more circle in each circle, but we're not going to make the pupils just yet. We're going to come back to that a little bit later. All done making your eyes? Awesome! Now we can begin to make the ears on the top of the head. These are simple triangle-like shapes. Now directly in the center, right below those two ears that we just made, we're going to begin to make three more triangle-like shapes along with two eyebrows. Now to add more detail to Catboy, we're going to begin to make three more triangle-like shapes next to each eye that we just made. Wow, you're doing great! Next up, we're going to go right below the nose, and we're going to begin to make the mouth. Now I'm going to switch out my Sharpie for a fine tip marker. If you don't have one, no need to worry. You can continue to use what you already have. We will use this fine tip marker to make the pupils of Catboy. Now if you need a moment to catch up, you can go ahead and pause the video right here. Now towards the left side of the page, we're going to begin to make the hand of Catboy. Whoa, that looks fantastic. Now we will connect the hand that we just made with one straight line to the head. Below the hand, we're going to make one long curvy line which will help connect to the left leg. Now from this point, we're going to make the right leg along with the right foot and the left foot. Awesome job, learn how to draw 𝐿𝐵𝐾. Next up, we're going to begin to make the right hand next to the head, and then we'll connect it to the leg that we just made. To the right side of the body of Catboy, we're going to begin to make his tail, and we will add stripes along the way to help separate the colors. Fantastic! Now in the center of the chest, we're going to begin to make the 𝐵𝐵𝐺 Catboy logo. Now all over the body of Catboy, we're going to begin to add some stripes for detail. Later on in the video, you'll notice that we're going to color these in a light blue. This is how to draw a Catboy from PJ Masks. Thank you for watching on How to Draw a Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and color in our drawing together.